If you're looking to secure a mortgage in Dubai, selecting the right bank is crucial to get you competitive rates and favorable terms. Here's an overview of the top 3 banks, in my opinion, in Dubai that will give you the best terms. Number 1, we have to talk about Emirates NBD. Emirates NBD is a leading bank and the biggest bank in Dubai and is a top choice for residents and non-residents because of their flexible mortgage payments, competitive interest rates, and customer-centric approach. They're versatile because they offer mortgages for completed properties and also for those that are under construction, and it has to be under a certain percentage completed for you to get that mortgage, which is something that not all the banks offer. So in UAE, mortgage rates are comprised of the bank rates and the EBOR, which is set once in 3 months, and at Emirates NBD, the lowest reducing rates start at 2.9% annually, and their loans often come with optional life and property insurance to make this process a complete one and more smooth. Some of the additional perks is that for specifically first-time buyers, the fast completion and assistance with the mortgage process makes it very, very easy and very favorable. Also, you get very quick approval times in just a day. Number 2 is Abu Dhabi Commercial Bank, or ADCB shortly. So why is it great is that ADCB offers the very streamlined process, good rates, and also very many options for fixed rate and variable mortgages. With reducing rates of 3.5% annually, ADCB caters to everyone and also offers these loans to not only salaried people but also self-employed, which is also a very big benefit as not all the banks do this. As an additional perk, you also get professional guidance and assistance while selecting those mortgage or financial loans, and you're definitely being guided in a non-biased way and with the right assistance. Number 3 is DIB, or Dubai Islamic Bank. If you need Sharia-compliant loans, then DIB is unmatched. It offers low profit rates and flexible repayment plans. But first, what does Sharia-compliant financing mean to those who don't know? Sharia-compliant adheres to Islamic principles which prohibit of making or earning any interest or paying any interest. Instead, banks like DIB structure their mortgage loans in a way that is a profit share structure. For instance, the bank purchases the property and sells it back at some interest and gives it in monthly installments to that customer. These products often feature competitive rates and they are very interesting for both Muslim and non-Muslim customers. Getting back to the rates and features at DIB, the flat rates start at 1.79% annually and the reducing rates are around 3.24% annually. With DIB, it's really good that the processing fees are very often waived. So basically, when other banks are charging you a 0.25% processing fees, at DIB you can have it waived. So just ask for this. And also the early repayment is always capped at 1%, which also makes it very straightforward and easy for you to understand. Additional perks is that loans can usually cover up to 80% LTV, or value of the property, and you're also allowed to have co-applicants to enhance and make the eligibility process easier and more streamlined. For some of the honorable mentions that I have to name, because I personally used one of these banks, is first Mashreq Bank, where I personally had my very first mortgage here in Dubai, and the second is Rak Bank, or the Bank of Ras Al Khaimah. Mashreq Bank really has extensive expertise in property financing and offer a lot of really good mortgage options with specifically refinancing terms where you can actually get some cash back from your property, which is called equity refinancing, while Rak Bank is known for very, very fast approvals and really good rates for the expats. Now, to wrap up this video, let me give you 3 tips that will help you to choose the right bank for the mortgage here in Dubai. First of all, compare the rates and opt in for good reducing rates rather than flat rates if you're looking at a longer period. However, if currently the rate is better at a flat rate, then I strongly advise you go for a flat rate for the first few years, then go and refinance that loan with another bank to benefit of the better loan offers that they will have. Secondly, look for the banks who offer higher LTVs, and specifically for you as expats, you can get up to 80% LTVs from many of these banks, and for locals you can get up to 85% LTV. So definitely look for the banks that will be able to give this to you easier and quicker. Third, look for the banks that allow you for a better and more flexible repayment, which basically means that they might even customize it for you and make it more suitable to your specific income, so that you know that you won't get into any issues or troubles with repaying this loan. Finally, Emirates NBD usually is the first and primary choice that most of the people choose because they have the competitive rates, is the biggest bank here in Dubai, so most of the people already have an account with them, so it's easier to actually look at your history and be approved quicker, and they also have really good support. However, if you're into Sharia-compliant options and loans that you're considering at this right moment, DIB is the better solution, so definitely go for them. They're also super quick, and the branch at Dubai Mall, they have it all in there, so you can simply pop up in and ask them for the rates and the offers that they have. Hopefully these comparisons will help you navigate the Dubai property market and specifically mortgage market quicker and make it easier to effectively choose the best financing offer and option that suits you. With that, I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did so, please don't forget to leave a thumbs up, subscribe if you're super generous. This helps a lot with my videos, specifically because I'm trying so hard to give you the right and most accurate, up-to-date information. So if you want more, just let me know in the comments, and until then, I will see you in the next one.